Presenting ACER 21.5-inch Full HD IPS Ultra Slim Monitor in the color white. The monitor comes in 3 size variants of 21.5-inch Full HD, 23.8-inch Full HD and 27-inch Full HD. The monitor features a Full HD IPS 21.5 inches ultra-thin display. It lets you enjoy immaculate image quality with 1920 x 1080 resolution. The monitor comes with a frameless ultra-thin display with a zero-frame form factor that offers you a wider viewing area and less distraction from bezels. It has 4 milliseconds of response time, 75 Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync technology that altogether reduces deviations in transition time to deliver quality moving images, bringing immersive graphics to your movies and games. With 250 nits brightness and 100 million:1 contrast ratio, this ACER monitor radiates the brightest whites and deepest blacks to give you a crystal clear viewing experience of all your content. The monitor also comes with eye care features that include blue light shield, flickerless and comfy view, which helps to protect the eyes and gives a comfortable viewing experience. This ACER IPS monitor has 178-degree wide viewing angles and a -5 to 15-degree tilted angle for comfortable viewing even from corners. The ACER flickerless technology eliminates screen flickering by providing a stable supply of power to the display. This ACER IPS monitor features 1 VGA port, 1 HDMI port, 1 audio in port, inbox HDMI and
ACER monitor Amazon at tracking gan sa aron khenga unboxing garon nei lokang ACER hi rin ai takin thare khop maya Amazon a khana oma inju som ni le pasari ania full HD ni buka tin AMD tin zero frame IPS te omta HDMI ania aron thlen na hi sing khat sang ni le jali somkwa inaron thlengani nalo ko mai inju som ni pasaria chuanin hi ACER monitor unboxing ani hi aron nei do na ni ti chuanin o hai sing khat sang ni jali somkwa nia an for chin to a bomi janda son lokang na monitor hi anal ram khop maya var nia oh hey ni ta monitor into some hi pasari alaya te some hi pasari nia hey ake te pom hal veka tuna hian ake kan wa chin lokang astena hi ama hinaron thun tel hal vekani tilo zong bo tu hi nia ikhan ACER monitor into some hi le pasari nia chuan hei tha hian hei HDMI port nia hei VGA tin ama hian audio hala audio input output hala ni ti chuanin hei HDMI cable vona nia hei VGA ama hian ufar hala ufar than ngai to lovin thare khop maya var ani ACER ti chuan aron chom hi hei power cable ania tin power cable ania tin hi HDMI cable ni boka tin hi sound and power ama monitor power zupek na ania kada khop mai tin ta hianin hi VGA cable ombok ani han fit china nga hi mel hi anal khop mai var ania full HD TV ti alo yani TV du dian vak lo tan phei chon TV anga man thei hal vek ani ama hin ufar te om hal bok ani chu sound inbuilt achunga hin om hal vek ani ufar tan kha le ngai to lawa ufar khatak du anga vak ngal lo tan phei chon kana khop mai ton lai monitor tan takho chu ufar han pa le a ufar vole te ngai thina hai tai chu ufar kha ngai to lawa ni chon tuna kan fit chinanga kan fit zo kanon tinunga kanon entir leng chu ole he tuna chun kan lo fit zo ta hi a monitor khania light tha khop maya ko maya monitor pakha song eng khan kan da chun jom kan da dun lo nga khoi jok nge kan compare chin lak don ani alen dan ti khachon in thim lo mai thaya kan en chinang tihian monitor li jok neng khan kan han da dun china ain nen lei khop mai monitor li khania ngi som paret ni ka ria ka monitor li he lian som hi pasari voina kan cha thlen thar chu nia games khel thin da tan bom don khop maya ti chuan poni se video description a hian a leina tur link ron da anga no le ve chin ro to lo khop mai sing khat sang ni zali som kwa an payment ani voina thalo tu thlat